Production of the new JL generation Jeep Wrangler began late last year. But the plan was to continue building the old JK concurrently for a few months. That is no longer the case. On Friday, the last JK Wrangler, a white Rubicon Unlimited, rolled off the line at Jeep's Toledo, Ohio, plant, and into Fiat Chrysler's collection. This example caps JK Wrangler production at an incredible 2,165,678 units since it debuted in 2006. That the last JK Wrangler is a four-door is quite appropriate. As Jalopnik and Automotive News separately point out, the four-door Unlimited helped transform the Wrangler from niche offering to one of Jeep's most popular products. With the addition of rear doors, the Wrangler was suddenly a practical car in the eyes of buyers. Sales of the JK just kept piling up over its 12-year run, with United States annual sales peaking in 2015 with more than 200,000 units. Seeing sales like that so many years into a car's life is highly unusual in this business, with plenty of credit due to the four-door, plus numerous special edition models meant to keep things fresh. Also, it helps that the Wrangler is awesome. Now that JK production has ended at Toledo, Jeep is retooling the factory for the arrival of the Wrangler pickup. Jeep says production of the pickup will begin in early 2019, and we expect to see it make its debut late this year.